Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial from the 3DSN channel. In this tutorial, we will model this reception desk, and also you will learn how to apply those vertical slats in one click. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends if you haven't already. So, let's get started. First, draw a rectangle by the rectangle tool 150 centimeters by 60 centimeters. Then extrude it by the push-pull tool 80 centimeters. Draw an arc across here by the arc tool. Its shortcut is A. Increase the number of segments. Right-click on the arc, go to Entity Info in the default tray, and increase the segments here up to 100. After that, by the push-pull tool, extrude this face in like this. Then hide these edges. By the offset tool, offset this face 3 centimeters. By the move tool, move this edge to this edge. Extrude this face in by the push-pull tool up to the bottom of the table. Select all and make it a group. I select it by triple-clicking. Go to the inside of the group. Double-click on this face to select the face with the connected edges. Then go to the Edit tab. Click on Copy. Its shortcut is Ctrl-C. Then go to the outside of the group. Go to the Edit tab again and click on Paste in Place to paste that face in its place. After that, by the Line tool, I'm going to draw a line across here. Then by double-clicking, select the face with the connected edges, hold the Shift key, then left-click to unselect the line and face, then delete those edges. After that, extrude it by the push-pull tool. So here I don't want these edges after extruding. Press Ctrl-Z to undo extruding, double-click on the face, then right-click, click on Weld Edges. Extrude it. Now we don't have those edges. So you see here, this is one face. I don't want it like that. Double-click on the face again, and hold the Shift key, then left-click on the face and those edges to deselect them. I just want these selected edges to weld them. Right-click, then click on Weld Edges. Extrude the face 3 centimeters like this. Now I have separated the faces. Press Ctrl-Z to undo the extrusion. Before extruding, double-click on the face to select it with the connected edges. Then, using the Offset tool, offset it 2 centimeters. Double-click on the middle face and delete the face with the connected edges by pressing the Delete key. Then, extrude it 3 centimeters like this. By triple-clicking, select it all and make it a group. Then, go inside the group and draw an arc using the Arc tool. Its shortcut is A. Double-click on the face, hold the Shift key, then left-click on the face to deselect it. I just want to keep those edges selected. Then, using the Follow Me tool, apply this profile to the edges of the table, like this. For drawing vertical slats, first draw a rectangle here using the Rectangle tool. 3 by 2 centimeters. Then, using the Arc tool, draw an arc here and draw another in this corner like this. After that, extrude it. If you see, we have these edges. Before extruding, weld the edges. Now we have a smooth slat. Extrude it up to the top of the table. Then, triple-click to select it all and make it a group. I want to apply a color to that slat. Pick a color, then apply it to that slat. After that, copy it along that curved edge or that curved table by using the Copy Along Curve plugin. Before using the plugin, I want to take a copy of this curved line to apply the vertical slats to it. Select that curved line. Then go to the Edit tab and click Copy. Its shortcut is Ctrl-C. Then, outside of the group, go to the Edit tab again and click Paste in place. Move it a little bit up. Now, this is the curved line that I want to apply my vertical slats. Triple-click to select it all. Then right-click and click on Weld Edges. Click on Vertical Slat. Go to Extensions tab. Copy Along Curve. If you want to get this extension and many other free extensions, please join our Telegram group. Link in the description. Copy Along Curve, then click on Vertical Slat. After that, click on this curved line like this. The spacing between vertical slats is 30 centimeters. This is too much. I want to decrease it. I want it to be 7 centimeters. You can type here manually 7 centimeters. So we applied the vertical slats along that curved line by Copy Along Curve extension. And also add some models like a PC and office chair, like this. After that, select it all. By Flip tool, flip it in the red axis to this face. Then press the Control key to take a copy after flipping. That's it. So this was our today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video.